Hi everyone, I'm Daisy from Balloon Daisy Clown. Today is the second video of our new series, Balloon Transport. In the first video we made an airplane. And today we will show you how easy it is to make a scooter out of long balloons. Let's go! Inflate the balloon with air and tie the balloon. Link to the video how to tie the balloon is in the description. In the same way, inflate the second balloon about halfway. How to make handlebars and grips. Twist 2-pinch twists. Then twist 3-finger bubble, a small bubble, and again a 3-finger bubble. Bring them together and twist. Now pull the small bubble slightly and twist it. Pinch twist. Repeat one more time symmetrically. How to make T-bar steering column. Twist 10-finger bubble. The steering column is ready. How to make deck and brake. Twist a pinch twist. Then twist a long 8-finger bubble. Two pinch twists and again a long 8-finger bubble. Release the air. Cut the excess. Tie the balloon and wrap this tail around the first pinch twist. How to make scooter wheels. Tie the yellow balloon. Determine the wheel size. Twist a bubble and make a loop. Insert the first pinch twist into the loop opening. Straighten the balloons. Twist a long bubble and wrap the balloon around the pinch twists. Insert it between the blue bubbles. Make the second wheel. Twist a loop and insert the pinch twist into the opening. release the air, cut the excess, and tie the balloon. Hide the tail. Our balloon scooter is ready. Easy and simple. Do it yourself. Subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Best regards, Daisy. Bye.